Hello, welcome to the basement. This is it. This is going to be the last on these light things. I do have, if you've been watching, one of these that seems to work quite fine. And then I have a lot of parts. Lots of little parts. It flashes. It's fun. Okay. So, what am I going to do here? Well, I'm just looking at all of these things. Autotronics, Trondy. Alright. It's down to the process of elimination. And this one here, this lens, has the rubber thing very much intact. Although, well, not that much intact. Kind of dirty looking, although maybe it can be cleaned. No falling down. Let's get all these things together here. Okay. Can this ring come off? Yes, it can. And it can go on there. So I think that is good. And this is good. And this one worked, from what I remember. I'm not opening this one up right yet. Funny, some of these things, they are worn a little bit. Oh, where's the thing? Okay. This one cannot be. This one. This is strange. They're supposed to be in here. Oh, there it is. A little spot that tells you where this is supposed to go. Alright, so the idea here is, okay, I think that's another working one, but I'm not opening this up right yet. I'm not. I am not. I am going to snag the bulbs, the little ones that seem to work brightly. And this funny thing needs to be cleaned. Perhaps a little deoxit, a little shine. Perhaps what I really need now. Oh, you know what? Oh, I can do this. Any of the parts that I'm not sure about. I'm going to put in this bag. And that doesn't mean that they're bad. It does not. But I don't want to spend forever and ever 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 on these things. So I'm going to put things in here, including little bulbs, including little rubber rings, and stuff that I think needs attention. Whereas this one is flashing. So and what I might do, because I can, and I guess I need to get a couple more batteries, because I would like to get a couple of these working. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? Hold on here. I'm going to take this out of here. And I did manage to get the little bulb holder out. Hello. Where are the little bulb holders? They've got to be in the bottom here. Okay. I'm going to take this little wee bulb holder, and I'm going to screw this light in to it that I believe works. Because I think all these little bulbs were fine. And then I'm going to put this little bulb holder back into its little hole from where it was, I think. Although this thing does look maybe a little bigger than the hole. Oh, they're all the same. Aha, there, okay. The bulb holder is in, but I think it's in the wrong position. There we go. Okay, bulb holder in. Good. Alright, that I think is good. Wait a second. I didn't put the bulb thing inside. Silly me. Okay. I don't want to open that one up. You know what I'm going to do? There's only one spot for one bulb holder. I'm going to put this other bulb deep in the bottom. And at some point, I will. See, the idea is I want to at least like to get a couple of these working. So if I send this away to Richard, he has one that's working, and he can tinker with other things on other parts. Anyway, back in here, we have more parts. And I'm tempted, well, look at that. It's funny, the one that's maybe the most favorable. Oh no, not the most favorable. Sorry, I was mixing up the one that has the least bend of these things. Ooh, it's metal. I will put that on. I will take one of these that looks pretty okay. I will put it into its place that it fits just so. At least I think it's supposed to fit just so. There we go. Let me fold this up. Just so. Why is this not? Oh, okay. It flipped down. There we go. Yeah, these things gotta be bent. Okay. So the rest of the parts and pieces are going to go into this bag. And should I, at this moment, go to the process of taking this one apart and doing all the battery stuff and double checking? Yes, I should. Am I going to do that? No, I'm not. Not at all. And I have 4 more batteries here that seem to be working. So I believe that once I get these little tangs bent down, I will have 2 of these that are working. I believe. And then I can send this stuff, all the remnants, off to Mr. Richard. And he can have one that works and extra parts, and then he can do with what he wants, I believe. Because it doesn't seem I'm going to get 3 to work, although I suppose what I could do, there we go, is try, because that one thing did flash nicely brighter, but it didn't make a good connection, so maybe if I work on that connection, that will be better. Maybe. Perhaps it will. Anyway, that is enough about these for now. That is it. That is all. I must check the time. Okay. Anyway, so there. Vintage lights of some sort. Something I think to do with Canadian National Telegraphs, telecommunications, railway, etc., etc., etc. But anyway, that's all I'm going to do. Oh, you know what I might do? I'm trying to leave this thing clear. I'm going to put these batteries, which even though I thought were dead, they seem to be alive. I'll put them in the bag. So they're done. They're away. Shaboom. And these I will take back upstairs. So, yes, I'm leery of this pile here. Anyway, thanks for coming. Have a lovely, lovely day. Always a pleasure to see you. Bye for now.